The Tall Crud Generator Package supports the flash messages. So if you click on the edit and edit a record, you would see that we have got this flash message over here, and then it disappears as well. So let's see how we can generate these flash messages. So if we go to this at step 6 advanced section, and here we have these flash messages, and here we can enable or disable the flash messages. We can also change the text related to the flash messages, and whenever you change the text, these text would be reflected in the final component that is being generated. So this is how you can generate the flash messages. Under the hood, the flash messages are being generated using this component livewire-toast. So this component, if we go down, it has various configuration. Like we can change the duration, we can change the position of the text that is being displayed, we can hide it on click. It also supports transition, various transitions. So in order to make all these changes, you would need to publish the config file. Once you publish the config file, you can change all these settings. So in order to publish the config file, we have this command at the top. So you can use this command to change the setting of the flash messages. If you do not want to change, you can keep them as it is.